Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the McFarlane Toys Mr. Freeze. So this is the finished custom repainted na action figure. And this is a project collaboration between me and Kevin Casus, aka Tisoy Toy Hunter. Shout out to you, sir. So first step is to spray it with Bosny Flat Black. Yun yung primer na gagamitin na ginamit ko dito. Recommended ay multiple thin coats. Siguro mga 2 to 3 thin coats yung in-apply ko dyan. And then after that, dry brushing method using gunmetal. So ang gagawin natin, darker shades muna. And then we're going to add layers and layers of paint. So dark shades muna, medium shades, and then lighter shades of metallic paints. So gunmetal, ano pa ba isa? Gunmetal, silver, and then meron platinum. Yun, tatlo. Gunmetal, silver, and platinum. So again, shout out muna kay Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for always sponsoring our custom repainted na mga videos. So ito na yung status ng gunmetal. Next naman, silver paint. So ganun pa rin, dry brushing yung method na ginagamit natin dito for application. So sa dry brushing, konti lang yung paint na nasa brush and then ida-drag lang natin yung paint across the surface. So yung pinaka nakaangat na areas, yun lang yung mga madadaanan ng paint. Yung mga recessed na areas, hindi na madadaanan ng paint yun. Alright, next paint is platinum. So itong platinum, meron siyang shade ng blue, yung cool tone na metal. Kaya gusto kong gamitin to. Kasi yung mga glows ni Mr. Freeze, color blue yung ano niya, yung light.